Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Shiva and today I'm going to present you Splitbun. So I'm going to guide you through what is Splitbun, the new app for iOS and Android that I'm developing. I'm going to give you a little bit about context of the app, the technology, the stack of it, and in the end, if you stick to it, there will be a surprise. So why did I start to build Splitbun? Splitbun focuses on solving a problem that we all have. Me, myself included, has already experienced this problem. So either you are sharing an apartment, either you are sharing your dinner, either you have a group of friends that go out and have dinner. We all have that problem of splitting the bill. So one person orders water and salad and the other orders whole different type of food that is more expensive. And in the end, you just end up splitting the bill equally, which is not fair for you, neither for them. And so the problem is that splitting bills shouldn't feel like solving a math exam under pressure. So I want to make splitting bills an easy way, and that's why I've chosen to build Splitbun. So how did this started? This started essentially not only with a receipt, but with an occurrence that I have in my daily life. That is, I live with my girlfriend and she usually has different types of groceries than I do. So whenever we went out to do the grocery shopping for our home, we ended up just splitting equally the bill. Although she has different types of diet necessities, and me, since I'm a gym bro, I usually shop budget friendly and creatine and protein. And in the end, splitting these equally did not feel fair. And so I decided that there needs to be a better way to split the bills, not equally, but split the bills by item. When I did my market research of other apps that could exist to do this, the market was vast and there were of course lots of apps that do this, like Splitwise. However, none of them allowed me to do a splitting of a bill by item. Essentially, all they allowed me to do was to split the bill equally or by a percentage and not by item and reclaim an item. Example, if you go out and have 5 beers and you just consume 2 and the other friends consume 3, you want to reclaim 2 beers and the other friends reclaim the other 3. So this is why my market research did not show any type of app that could do this. And so I've decided to build it myself. Since I'm also an ML engineer at a big company called ISS, as you can see on the screen, I've decided that this project should first become a learning project and after become available to everyone that could and would benefit from it. So the problem was that I have a nice GPU at home and I wanted to explore more about vision language models like Qwen because they are open source and I can run them locally. And also I wanted to explore a little bit more about different types of fine-tuning techniques. So since I had a problem and I had a tech stack that I wanted to explore, I'm now developing a MVP of Splitbun that serves as a learning project, but in the end it will be available to everyone that wants to use it. So what is Splitbun? Splitbun can be defined in 3 simple steps. You scan the receipt, you split it, and then you share. That's it. No more steps, you don't need to integrate with anything, you don't need to do any kind of difficult stuff. My goal with this project is that it is simple to do a scanning, a splitting, and then the sharing of the total result for everyone. You should not be manually doing your calculations of I did this and the other person consumed that, now let's divide by 2. No. The goal with Splitbun is to be simple. So, explaining more about the 3 simple steps of Splitbun. The first step is the scan. You take a photo of any receipt or you can upload it from your gallery and you will send that to our AI. Our AI will extract the items and the prices automatically without you needing to touch anything. It will work in any language and any format, and since usually receipts don't expose any private informational data, this is all private and secure processing because we will not store any personal identifiable information, nor the AI will do it. The second step involves splitting. So for the splitting part, I wanted to give users the option to have the app or not have the app. If you have the app, of course, you will have lots of more features like groups. But if you don't have the app, you can also split the bills and you can also share receipts with people that don't have the app. So that was my main core of this application. Then it comes the shared part. So after everyone has done their splits, you can just one tap to share the totals of every participant in WhatsApp. And also you can track who has paid what, so that you can efficiently manage that split and know who else is missing to pay, etc., etc. So the use cases for this application can be extensive, but the most important ones are the ones that I'm currently showing. So roommates, friends dining, couples, trips to other countries, etc. My goal with this app is that you have the opportunity to use this app for any type of different use case that you have. Either you are in a household and you share household expenses fairly, or you do shared groceries or utility bills, or you can even go out with your friends and dine, and you will have restaurant bills or bar tabs, or you are a couple and you do grocery shopping or shared purchases or personal items. Splitbun is built for everyone and for any use case for you to have a better financial management of your bills. Since you waited until the end of the video, you are able to join the waitlist that is available now at splitbun.com. If you join now the waitlist, you will be one of the first to receive and to try Splitbun before it launches publicly. You'll be able to shape the product because you'll be able to directly influence features and improvements, and you will also have special benefits in your subscription. Thank you everyone for watching. Please go and visit splitbun.com, join the waitlist, and in the comments share me your thoughts about the process, share me your thoughts about the app, if you have any feature you would like to see. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.